Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn trigonometric identities and equations together, step by step. The most important trig identity is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. It comes straight from the unit circle, where x squared plus y squared equals 1. From it, we can rearrange. Sine squared equals 1 minus cosine squared, and cosine squared equals 1 minus sine squared. This single identity unlocks a huge amount of simplifying. Identities let you swap one expression for an equal one. For instance, 1 minus sine squared theta is just cosine squared theta, straight from our identity. When you see tangent, you can rewrite it as sine over cosine. The strategy is simple. Replace pieces using known identities until terms cancel and the expression collapses into something clean. Let's simplify 1 minus cosine squared theta all over sine theta. By the identity, the top equals sine squared theta. So now we have sine squared theta divided by sine theta. Cancel one sine from top and bottom, and we are left with just sine theta. See how recognizing the identity turned a messy fraction into a single clean term? Now solve 2 sine theta equals 1 for theta from 0 up to 360 degrees. Divide by 2 to get sine theta equals 1/2. Sine is 1/2 at 30 degrees in the first quadrant, but sine is also positive in the second quadrant, giving 150 degrees. So both 30 and 150 degrees are solutions. Always check every quadrant. To wrap up, the Pythagorean identity sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1 is your workhorse. Use identities to swap and cancel when simplifying. To solve an equation, isolate the trig function first, then find every angle in the given range, checking all the quadrants. Be thorough, and you'll catch every solution. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.